Grand finalist number 7. Ito na, pare, third. Danilo Barrios Jr.
Danilo.
Danilo.
Danilo. Ano tawag sa'yo ng mga kaibigan mo?
JR.
Hmm?
JR.
JR.
Okay, JR. Yeah.
Layo.
Uy, nabanggit ko si Lynching kanina. Tomorrow, S-Files. Alas 4.
Nood ako dyan.
Ayos ba? Okay, wala na. Naku. Hi, Priscilla. Priscilla Almeida ang magtatanong sa'yo. Priscilla
Hi,
Almeida.
Danilo.
Danilo.
Okay, ano ba ang mga advantages at disadvantages kung ikaw ay nakakakilig o ikaw ay may nakaka-inlove na kagwapuhan?
Siguro po ang advantage po nun sa akin, yung nakikilala po ako ng tao. Tapos napapakita ko po sa kanila yung ano po ako kung... at ang disadvantage naman po siguro yung meron pong nainggit sa akin tapos merong ibang napagtitripan lang po ako yung dinadown po ako. Yun lang po.
Okay. Maraming salamat,
JR. Thank you, JR.
Ano pang kaka mo? Si Jimmy, may kaka yun.
Ano?
Kakakilabot.
Ako meron pa isa.
Wala ka na. Ano pa ginagawa mo dyan?
Parang gusto mong matanong, Thank you, Camille. Thank you,
Bait
judges.
nanay mo. Okay.
Bobby, Priscilla, and Tricia. Announcement.
We'll be back with the announcement.
Announcement?
Announcement. Announcement.
We do too. Kaka Grand Final.
Okay, we will be announcing the second runner-up.
Yes, and to receive 5,000 pesos for the cash prize plus a trophy to be awarded by Lara Morena, garnering an average score of 78.20. Finalist number 2, Ricky Ramos.
Congratulations, Ricky.
Congratulations.
At nandyan si Miss Lara.
All right. Congratulations.
At syempre, dalawang na lang ang natitira. So first, we will read the first runner-up, yung mga
Yes.
prizes na matatanggap niya.
That's right. To receive 10,000 pesos cash prize plus a trophy to be awarded by Priscilla Almeida and Tisha Silang with an average score of 87.20.
Okay. At yung Hisokaka naman, para alam na natin,
Suspense naman.
May suspense sa konti.
to receive 25,000 pesos cash prize plus a trophy to be awarded by Lin Ching and Bobby Andrews, garnering an average score of 98 points.
Oh, so close pala.
Yes.
Okay. So automatically, if we announce the first runner-up, yung
You would know.
natitira, yan ang Hisokaka 98.
All right.
Okay.
Here's the moment.
Our first runner-up is...
Contestant number 1, Pipo
Pipo
Alandres.
Alandres. And of course, our Hisokaka 1998 is finalist number 7, Danilo Barrios Jr.
Congratulations.
Congratulations, Danilo Barrios Jr.
Congratulations sa inyong tatlo, Ricky, Pipo, and Danilo.
Thank you also to the judges today.
Well, there you have it, our Hisokaka winners for 1998.
Thank you very much for joining us. Maraming salamat ulit sa lahat ng mga judges at siyempre sa mga kaibigan namin dito sa studio. Thank you for being a part of this wonderful day na Hisokaka 1998.
Thank you so much, and we'll see you again on Monday. Hi, H.
Have a nice weekend.